reclaiming your 15 GB. Practical ways to free up Google storage for free as graduation season approaches, cameras are rolling, and digital memories are multiplying. For millions of users, this influx of high-resolution photos and videos threatens to overflow the 15 GB of free storage provided by Google Drive. This quota isn't just for Drive. It is shared across Gmail, Google Photos, and Docs. When you hit the limit, you can no longer send or receive emails, nor can you back up new photos. While Google frequently prompts users to upgrade to a paid Google One plan, paying for extra space isn't the only solution. You can reclaim significant storage without spending a dime by strategically managing your existing files. The key is to identify storage hogs large files that consume disproportionate space and remove them efficiently. Below are the most effective, free methods to clear out your digital filing cabinet, optimized for both desktop and mobile users. Target the big offenders first. The most efficient way to free up space is not by deleting hundreds of tiny text documents, but by identifying and removing a few large files. A single high-definition video or a massive email attachment can consume gigabytes, whereas thousands of small files might only take up megabytes. Cleaning up Google Drive on desktop. Log into Google Drive. Click Storage in the left-hand menu. This view automatically sorts files from largest to smallest. Select the large files you wish to remove, hold Shift to select multiple items. Click the trash icon at the top. Critical step. Navigate to Trash in the left menu, click Empty Trash, and confirm by selecting Empty Forever. Files remain in trash for 30 days, continuing to use your storage quota until permanently deleted. On mobile, iOS, Android, open the Google Drive app and tap Files in the bottom right. Tap Name under My Drive at the top, then select Storage Used. Files will now be sorted by size. Tap the three dots next to a file. Select Remove and GT, move to Trash. To permanently delete, tap the menu hamburger icon and GT, Trash and GT, three dots, and GT, Empty Trash. Purging large email attachments in Gmail. Email attachments often go unnoticed, but can bloat your storage significantly. Gmail allows you to search for these specifically. On desktop, in the Gmail search bar, type Has attachment larger MB. You can adjust 10 MB to any size. Check the boxes next to emails you want to delete. Click the trash icon. Go to Trash in the left sidebar and click Empty Trash now. On mobile, type Has attachment larger MB in the Gmail search bar. Open the email you wish to delete. Tap the trash icon at the top. Go to Menu and GT, Trash and GT, Empty Trash now. Note, like Drive, Gmail items in the trash folder are automatically purged after 30 days. Emptying the trash manually ensures immediate space recovery. The hidden space eaters. Spam and archives. Many users overlook the fact that spam messages and archived promotional emails still count toward your 15 GB limit. Clearing these folders can yield surprising results, especially if you haven't cleaned them in months. How to empty spam on desktop. Click Spam in the left menu, under More if not visible. Click Delete all spam messages now. Confirm by clicking OK. On mobile, tap the menu icon top left. Select Spam. Tap Delete all spam messages now or Empty Spam now. Consider also reviewing your promotions and social tabs. Bulk deleting old newsletters or social media notifications can free up substantial space with minimal effort. Pruning Google Photos. Google Photos is integrated into your Google account storage. High-quality photos and 4K videos are particularly heavy. Unlike Drive, Photos does not have a sort by size feature, so you must manually identify large media files. Important warning for iPhone users. If you have iCloud Photos enabled and use the Google Photos app, be cautious. If your iPhone is set to optimize storage, deleting a photo from Google Photos may also delete the local copy on your device if they are synced. Always check the warning prompt before deleting. Deleting media on desktop. Go to Google Photos. Hover over images, videos, and click the checkmark to select them. Click the trash icon top right and GT, move to Trash. Go to Trash, left menu and GT, Empty Trash and GT, Empty Trash. On mobile, open Google Photos. Tap a photo, video and GT. trash icon bottom right and GT, delete. Go to library and GT, trash and GT, 3 dots, and GT, empty trash. Pro tip, Google Photos automatically deletes items in the trash after 60 days. If you need immediate space, manually emptying the trash is necessary. You can also reduce file size by using Storage Saver Quality Uploads, though this slightly reduces image resolution. The last resort. Download and delete. If you cannot bear to delete any files but still need to clear space, you can migrate your data to a local hard drive or an external USB stick. This allows you to keep your files while freeing up your cloud quota. Downloading from Google Drive and Photos, log in to Drive or Photos on your desktop. Select the files or folders you wish to keep. Click the 3 dots. In the top right corner, select Download. Google will zip multiple files into a single archive for easier management. Once the download is complete and verified on your computer, delete the files from Google Drive Photos and empty the trash. Downloading from Gmail. Downloading emails is more tedious, as Gmail does not support bulk downloading of individual messages for local storage in the same way. You must download them one by one. Open the specific email in Gmail on desktop. Click the 3 dots. In the top right corner of the email pane, select Download. The email will save as an EML file. Repeat for other critical emails. Then delete them from Gmail and empty the trash. Conclusion: managing Google's 15 GB free tier requires a proactive approach. Prioritize deleting large media files and emails, regularly purge spam, and consider local backups for sentimental items you don't want to lose. By taking these steps, you can avoid subscription costs while ensuring you have enough space for life's new moments.